2026 में if you are planning to go to Canada to make your study abroad dream come true, then this video is really important for all of you. 2026 में study permits 49% गिरा दिया है Canadian government ने. It's down to 1,55,000, which means that now they are selecting the right candidates for the right universities only. Chances are if you apply to not so good university or a not so good college, your visa will also get rejected. So now let me tell you a step-by-step process if you truly want to study in the best of the universities in Canada and also ensure that your visa does not get rejected. Step 1 में ना आपका फेज चालू होता है right after your final exams this year. फाइनल एग्जाम्स के बाद मान लो अप्रैल या मई से अगस्त सितंबर तक आपका स्टेप 1 का फेज चल रहा है. इसमें आपको अपने ग्रेड्स ऊपर रखने हैं, आपके प्रेडिक्टिव ग्रेड्स अच्छे आने चाहिए. You should start building your profile, do some research projects or maybe couple of internships. Alongside, you should prepare for your IELTS exam. It's called International English Language Testing System. It's an English exam that you definitely need to get your visa and your offer letter from the university. Step 2 चालू होगा नवंबर से, जब खुलेंगी कैनेडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज की एप्लीकेशन with the opening of their most important application called OUAC, Ontario University Application Centre. This application will go to all the universities in Ontario province, including the most important one and the most leading one called University of Toronto. और इसी फेज में आपको एक्सप्लोर करनी है कनाडा की और अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज like University of British Columbia in Vancouver, McGill University or Western University. There is one more university that you must remember if you are a big fan of mathematics and computer science. It's called University of Waterloo in Canada. Step 3 चालू होगा दिसंबर से जनवरी 15 तक. Remember, January 15th will be that golden deadline for your application to the best of the universities like University of Toronto, McGill, Western and Waterloo. स्टेप 4 में जाने से पहले मैं आपको एक बात फिर से बता देता हूँ. If you get offer letters from some of these well-known universities that I have mentioned in my reel, then visa will not be a challenge. So please apply only for reputed and highly ranked universities in Canada. Do not go for diploma programs and do not go for unknown colleges. और लास्ट आएगा स्टेप 4, which will possibly begin around March and will end in May. This is that crucial time where you'll receive your offer letters. You will also receive your study permits once you confirm your admission to a particular university. This is that time जहाँ पे आपको अपने finances proper करने हैं, आपको अपनी visa application file करनी है, and you need to ensure that your visa does not get rejected because of shortage of documentation. एक चीज याद रखना, जब आपसे वीजा इंटरव्यू में पूछे will you want to come back after studying in Canada, your answer should be a definite yes, because nobody in today's time wants to know that the student will not come back. In the end,